We have very interesting question here. Let's solve it by an easy method. N powers 2024 plus n powers 1012 equals 132. We have to find the value of unknown variable n. Let's start solution. So we will apply substitution method. Let t equals n powers 1012. We are shifting n to the t variable, so we can write first term of the question is n powers 1012 multiplies 2 will get to 024. So we can write it as 1012 power 2, writing second term and third as it is. So replacing t by its value, we can write t whole square plus t. We have substituted this value equals t, and on the right hand side we have 132. Now shifting this 132 term to the other side of the equation, we will get t square plus t negative 132 equals 0. So here we have a quadratic equation having value a equals 1, b equals 1 and c equals negative 132. Let's solve this quadratic equation by using quadratic formula and find the solution set firstly for t and then we will find out n. So starting with the quadratic formula, we know that t equals negative b plus minus square root discriminant b square negative 4ac all divides by 2a. Now putting the value of a, b and c, that is a equals 1, b equals 1, c equals negative 132 in quadratic formula. For b we put 1 plus minus under root b squared 1 square and negative 4. For a we replace a by 1 and c by negative 132 whole divides by 2 into a. For a we can write 1. Now further simplifying this is we can write t equals negative 1 plus minus under root 1 square will be equal 1, negative into negative we will get plus, multiplying 132 multiplies 4 we will get 528, divides by 2 into 1 will be equals 2. Now writing it as t equals negative 1 plus minus in the square root adding 1 and 528 we will get 529 divides by 2. Further simplifying it, we will get t equals negative 1 plus minus 529 can be written as, if we multiply 23 with 23 we will get 529, so we can write 529 is 23 square. If 23 multiplies 2 times we will get 529. So we have replaced 529 by 23 square upon 2 and square root will cancel out. In the divide we have denominator 2. Further we can simplify it as t equals negative 1 plus minus we remains with 23 upon 2. Here we will have two solution set for t, that is we can write t equals negative 1 plus 23 upon 2, and similarly we can write t equals -1 -23 upon 2. Simplifying first value of t, we can write t equals -1 plus 23, we will get 22 upon 2. And on right side of, for the second value of t, we can write -1 -23 -24 upon 2. Further simplifying it, for first value of t, we can write 2 1 is 2 and 2 11. We got first value of t as 11 plus 11 and second value of t as -12. So we will ignore the negative value because n is greater than or equal to 0. So we will use positive value, that is t equals 11. Putting back in place of t that we substituted, so replacing t by 11 equals n power 1012. So our main target is to find the value of n. Now taking 1012 root of both sides of this equation in order to find out the value of n. So taking 1012 root on left hand side, we can write 11 power 1 upon 1012 for the radical symbol, and on the right hand side and 1012 whole powers 1 upon 1012 root we have taken. So this is cancel out on the right hand side and we are left with the value of n, that is n equals 11 powers 1 upon 1012. So we got value for n. We have to find out the value of n for the given question. We have simplified this and find out value of n, that is n equals 11 power 1 upon 1012. Let's verify this answer. Putting back this value of n in the question, 11 power 1 upon 1012 whole power 2024 plus 11 power 1 upon 102 for n, and already 1012 is there in the question, equals 132. Now simplifying left hand side, 1012 cancel with 2. We left with 11 squared plus here only 11 is left because 1012 and 1012 cancel out, equals 132. Simplifying 11 square, we know that 11 multiplies 11 equals 121 plus 11 will be equals 132. Further adding 121 and 11 we will get 132 equals 132. So left hand side equals right hand side. We have verified this result. Kindly subscribe our channel.